Hello and welcome back to Goldner Woodland Farm. I'm Keith. It is Friday, October 17th, and Dan and Mike are here installing windows. They got the rough wiring done between yesterday and this morning, and now they're starting on windows. So we've got some windows ceiling tape up, and then the window sits right in there. Here's some of the rough wiring. So our breaker box is going to be here. We're trying to get all this stuff in before spray foam next week. So they got all the wiring roughed in. They put this window in already. So this is the bathroom. So now they're going to one of the bigger awning windows in the sort of the living room.
Try to get it up high first. You know what? Except water.
So Dan and Mike are working through a plan to try to figure out how to get this double hung window mounted. It's built differently. The other windows are awning windows, and the the jambs on them are built differently, and the dimension relative to the rough openings are different as well. So this window is 5 feet high and 6 feet wide. On the vertical part, relative to the rough opening, the finished edge is only about an 1/8 inch smaller than the rough opening. Width-wise, it's a 1/2 inch smaller, which is what we expected. The other windows are a 1/2 inch smaller all the way around. So there's you have a 1/4 inch of play on all sides. The jamb width is also different on this window. It's quite a bit wider than on the awning windows. So we're hoping that 1/8 inch is going to fit on the vertical. The width-wise should be fine, and then the thickness is probably going to be okay here because of the thickness of the wall with the shiplap inside, but it's definitely quite a bit different than the other windows, which are the awning windows.
Ready? Yep.
Got it.
Got a hold of it?
Yep.
Ready? Now, I'm thinking, get it set and see if we can even, it's gonna be really tight. I don't know if we're gonna get it first try. 'Cause this is sticking up. This is a little lower. Hold this. I'm gonna tack this down because my side's going past. It's hitting this.
I should go outside.
It's hitting that stupid metal bracket.
If I went out there with a glazer bar and a metal bracket.
Yeah,
I
I
got
got
to hide it a little
a
bit.
little bit of this tape out here. Is that what it's hitting?
Yeah, it's so tight I can't even see.
Is it hitting the metal or the wood? Because if it's just hitting the wood, I'll shave the wood.
Yeah, it's just hitting that. It's just hitting that.
Right there.
Yeah. Hold on.
Ow.
Lean it out toward you.
Bring it out toward me.
Hold it so I can reach in. Alright. Right here. Yeah, it's one spot. Right in the middle where they come together.
Yeah, that metal
There's one
fan.
part of the lip that's still proned up here. Can't get it from there.
How close is it? Like if I give this a push. No.
It's like right there. I can't get the glazer bar in there to get down on it.
That's fine. I can pop this back out.
Yeah.
We'll take a look at the top. I can shave the wood.
Yep, you'll be able to see it's getting that header board up there.
hitting on this plate.
Let's get this Emerson flush. Oh, made it past. Oh, it's in. It's in like flint. You're hitting this side a little bit. I bet you it's hitting on that. It's hitting on the weld. Let me see. Is it hitting on the weld? I can shave. I can curve the top of this pan. Oh wait, is it go? Talk about friction fit. It's gotta go, man. That's all I care about. Yeah, That's it. That's it. It's in. It's in there like somewhere.
This is Monday. It is day 2 of the windows and hopefully door installation. Dan and Mike got here bright and early, just before 8 this morning, got started right away. We got these already in today. And this picture window on the back, man, it looks great.
Ready, set. Ready? Okay, start teetering. Yeah, I just don't want to put a lot of weight on it. Alright, take a break. Leaning on that stud. I got it on the subfloor here. We can slide it, so I'm at the end of that 2-by. Oh. Woo! Yeah, that was a lot. Ready? We'll get it to almost the 2-by, then come in on this bay. I'll hold the door, and we can kind of slide it till you get past, because it's going to be resting on here and this door. I'm just going to try to pick it up and get more forward, just to take some weight off of the slide. Ready? A little more, if you can get it in, get it on that door. Ready? Hold on. Kind of break here. Kind of work 1, 2, 3, and you pull and you swivel it on the right. 1, 3. You go towards you a little bit? Yeah, you ready? I'm just going to keep angling it on this board. Alright. You ready to lift and get it on the OSB? 1, 2, 3. Alright. I don't have a whole lot to grab onto. That's the locking mechanism. Oh, yeah. All right, see if she fits. Ready? Yeah, just bring it up a bit straight to you. Okay, hold on. Ready? Ready? Keep going. All right. The bottom got a half an inch to get over. There it is. Look at that. How's that fit that look? There's a big gap in it. About a quarter inch, so we can bring the bottom. You want that? I'll go on the outside. Yep. I can get this bottom over a little bit.
We also got a load of gravel today in anticipation of building the deck later this week. So once Dan wraps up some of the stuff inside and gets the windows and doors all caulked, they're going to start on the deck. While they're doing that, after they get the posts in, we're going to put geotextile fabric down and then put some of this gravel on top of that, so that we keep the weed growth down under the deck. So just trying to plan ahead and do things in the right order. Well, the end of the day went really, really well today. As you can see, Dan and Mike made quick work of these windows. Everything went in smooth today. On Friday, on the other one of these double hungs, there was quite a bit of a challenge. Had to make some adjustments to get that one in, but this one went right in just as it was supposed to. So all in all, out of 7 windows and 2 doors, that one on Friday was the only one that really was difficult. Even this big door, the big slider, went in really, really well. So they also got the lock sets on. This door really slides nice and smooth. So really, really happy with progress today, and think that it looks very, very good. So a little bit of trimming to do, some caulking, and move on to the next step. But things look really good. Super happy with how it's turning out. Yeah, very excited. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Thanks for watching.